How you guys doing? Lester here. Hope you are well. I don't have a drink today, but I'm gonna take you with me how to make a very quick, healthy fruit protein shake that you can take it to go, meal replacement, whatever you want to call it, but it's fairly quick. I can actually do this within under 3 minutes if I need to. Very quick, so yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so again, as mentioned, this is super easy. Actually, I have 3 things here with me. I got my water bottle filled halfway through. Frozen fruits, easier to store and keep. You can also use fresh fruit. It's definitely up to your preference, but I like to use this because this kind of acts as an ice when we put it in the blender. And of course, we got our whey protein. I like the strawberry flavor. Of course, it goes to your preference. So yeah, let's do it. So I mentioned I can do this under 3 minutes. I kind of cheated a little bit. I started with the water, so let's go ahead and start. I like to put the fruits first in here. Just grab a handful. There you go. Shake it up a little bit and then get your protein. We're gonna do a scoop and a half. We're gonna do. Put the cap on and ready to blend. This one, I got this blender at Target. It was like 20 bucks. What a deal. That's it. I like to actually drink it. This little thing, you can put it to cups so you can do it to go, but since I'm at home, quarantine, I'm gonna enjoy it. Look at that. Beautiful. How long did that take? Man, delicious. So you can make this as a breakfast to go. Again, meal replacement. It's currently in the afternoon. I like to do this after workout or even nighttime if you don't feel like eating. So perfect way to grab something to go. Fast, easy, healthy, no brainer. All right guys, that's it. Easy to go. I'm gonna enjoy my drink. If you do wanna make one, let me know, I'd love to see. And if you wanna see more recipes, easy, quick to go, doesn't take a while, please let me know. And don't forget that thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later.